Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Ralph. Let me steady this camera here. This is Ralph back with another video. And online, a lot of times you'll see a debate going on between different affiliate marketers. Some preaching and talking about low-end products that people can afford and buy that give them high quality and high value. And other people that argue no, high-end products are where you need to go because that's how you get paid the big commissions. And a lot of people will be arguing back and forth high end, low end, small commissions, big commissions. To me, that entire conversation is totally irrelevant. What matters to me is not little commissions or big commissions. What matters to me are recurring commissions. Recurring commissions where you get paid month after month after month, potentially for the same sale. Because if you are selling products that only pay you one time, one and done sales, then every time you need money, you have to make a sale. And there is no leverage in that. You are just essentially trading your time for other people's money. And eventually, you run out of time. You got no time left to enjoy yourself in. And it's just too much like work. It's like working a job, working a plantation, where you get paid only for the work that you do. Now, if you're selling products that pay recurring commissions, that gives you the ability to achieve both financial freedom and time freedom. Because what a recurring commission is that you make a sale and you get paid commission for that month. And then if your customer remains for month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, on and on and on, you still keep getting paid month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer with that program, subscription, membership, whatever it may be. And so if you're focusing on recurring commissions, you are in a position where you can eventually gain your time freedom as well as your financial freedom just by building up a team of customers who love the product that you're selling and are likely to stay with it for month after month after month. Something that's high value, high quality, uh, affordable, good for that price in a good price range that people are comfortable sticking with. And you're selling something like that pays recurring commissions, you can eventually get yourself into a position where you are getting paid while you sleep from customers that you recruited months ago. And yeah, if you want to get your time freedom, all you have to do is just build up a good team of customers that love the product, close the deal, make the sale, and then eventually you don't have to be chasing people down on social media anymore. You don't have to be running people down and out on the street or coffee shops or things like that, trying to make a sale every day of the week. No, you keep getting paid based on sales that you made in the past. So it's a way of leveraging your work for future freedom. Because when you're selling products that only pay one time commissions, one and done commissions, then every time you need money, you need to go out there and make a sale. And so a lot of people out there are just working, grinding, as they say, around the clock, around the week, day after day after day, trying to make their sales, thinking that they're free people. And with recurring commissions, you do a lot of work in the beginning to build up your team of customers. But then once you got your customer team built up to where you like it to be, then you have gained your time freedom and your financial freedom, and you are literally making money while you sleep or lay out on the beach or have fun, whatever you like to do. The world is yours. Your time is finally yours. So that's why I don't worry that much about low commissions, high commissions. What I am concerned about is, does it pay recurring commissions? And if it does, hey, I'll gladly take a look at it and see what I can do with it. But what I love, what I promote, is we have an affiliate marketing school that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing, how to do social media marketing, how to do Facebook marketing, and it comes with a sales funnel and teaches you how to use the sales funnel, how to promote things like that, how to close the deal. And it starts at very affordable levels. We got a $10 level, we got a $25 level, we got a $125 level, and they all pay 80% recurring commissions. So that's what I love. The fact that I can do a lot of work right now, building up my customer base, and then in the future, just start seeing those commissions roll in. So, yeah, high commission, low commission, I don't care. What I care about, does it pay recurring commissions? Because that's your ticket forward to financial freedom. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And if you'd like to take a look at what I do by way of earning recurring commissions in affiliate marketing, check my link in the program description down below. It's ralphshomebiz.com. And yeah, would love you to take a look at it, see if it's right for you, and yeah, let me know what you think. So this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk to you later, folks. Bye bye.